In today's tutorial, we are going to do a little bit of explaining in the inventory module how we can do some custom filters to find certain products, and especially like if you're looking for products that are set at a quantity of 0 or less than 0, you want to maybe publish or unpublish them from the website in this example. But as we go through this, I'm just going to go ahead and teach you some little tips and tricks about creating some filters. So we're going to go ahead, as you can see, I'm in the inventory module today, and I'm going to go ahead and go into our products and products. And this brings up, as you've seen, kind of the card view of all of our inventory that we have, all of our different products that we sell. One thing that I like to do, some people like this view, we can toggle back and forth. If you hit this button right over here in the corner, we can go to the list view or to what we call the Kanban view. And for today's example, I'm going to go ahead and keep this in the list view. So up here we have our search bar, so you can search for individual products, but then we have down here our filters, our group by, and our favorites. So if we go ahead and group by, you can group it by, it gives you like a product type category or the point of sale category, or you can add custom groups. And you can see here there's quite a wide range of custom groupings that we can do. Filter is much the same. You can look at your products or your services. We can look for only published products, products that are available in the POS, and all down through here. But the other thing that we can do again is come into our custom filter, and you get an additional range of fields that you can filter on, and this is quite extensive. So if you're ever looking for a way to get a certain set of products, you can use these custom filters. A lot of times, if you want to look at products that you just created this week, you can go ahead and do that. And you could put the date that was created, in between the 23rd and the 30th. So that's a super powerful way of creating a filter, just to see what kind of your newer products are, if you need to work on them a little bit. So I'm not going to do that one right now. The filter that I want to work with today is, we're actually going to do quantity on hand. And so for this is equal to, and you can change this as well. You say, hey, is equal to, is not equal to. You have all of these different fields as well, these different kind of conditions. And so I'm going to choose a less than or equal to 0 and apply that. You can see right away that pulls out. Now all of these products that I have here have a quantity on hand of 0 or less than 0, because you can sell negative and then bring in stock to fulfill those orders, depending on your settings. So then from here, if I wanted to unpublish these, say I said, you know what, I don't have these, I'm not going to ever get these items back. A quick way of doing that is just to go into, just to select all of those products, and then you can come into action, and I can publish on my website, I can unpublish on my website. Here we can export, archive, unarchive, all sorts of interesting things we can do here. And so I'm just going to go ahead and unpublish those on the website. So those are no longer available. They won't show up as being searchable on the website, so you can no longer sell them. So that's kind of a unique way that we can go ahead and search. It's a powerful way of searching and taking mass action on things, so that you can add as many filters as you want. If we wanted to filter, quantity on hand is 0 and they have a certain product category, you could do that, or they meet a certain condition, like quantity on hand is 0 or less than 0, and the continue selling when out of stock. Let's go down here. So we could say, your barcode or your continue selling when out of stock. I think that's one that we can there we go. You could say that this is no and apply that, and that would even further go down. And you say, hey, these are only products that I want to make sure I pull off the website when I'm done selling them. So a quick way to do that and make sure that they're unpublished from the website, so customers don't think that they can purchase them on the website. So kind of a quick tip and trick there. And as always, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.